One day after Michael White was acquitted of manslaughter charges in the stabbing death of Sean Schellenger, the families are trying to defend themselves against other people's wrath. Action News reporter Dan Cuellar is live outside the Criminal Justice Center in Philadelphia. Dan, if the families thought they'd have any privacy in the aftermath of this verdict, unfortunately, they were mistaken.
That's right, Jim. Like the last grimy pages of a dirty, torn book, Michael White's family thought it would end when the jury said not guilty. But in this age of social media, they say they're now getting death threats. And this turns out the Schellengers say they're getting death threats too. Tonight, both families are living in fear.
Get out of Philadelphia while you're still alive.
Michael White's uncle reading some of the threats they've been getting through social media. His aunt says they've been bombarded.
Things like he should move out of Philly before he get killed.
After a jury found 22-year-old Michael White not guilty of voluntary manslaughter in the fatal stabbing death of 37-year-old real estate developer Sean Schellenger, Michael White's family says they thought it was over. But they're finding the verdict hasn't brought them any relief.
Not guilty really didn't help out with saying not guilty right now because we're still at battle.
And this despite the deep remorse they feel for what happened and the pain the Schellengers are going through.
We cannot feel what you feel, but you know, we do have sorrow and we have a lot of empathy for you.
And as for the rage and anger Linda Schellenger expressed outside the courthouse after the not guilty verdict?
I mean, she's a mother that lost a son. I mean, that is
she's still grieving.
I mean, she's still grieving. I mean, we get it. We understand.
But now they worry for theirs and Michael White's safety.
Because every time he walks out the door, I feel like something's going to happen.
Reacting to all of this, Sean Schellenger's mother says in a statement, "We are scared too. We're getting threats as well. My son and his family are staying with us because of the threats." Larry Krasner and his team have actually engaged in creating racial tensions, which is resulting in an unsafe situation for both families. It's a disgrace. For the record, the district attorney's office declined to comment for this report. Live at the Criminal Justice Center, I'm Dan Cuellar, Channel 6, Action News. Jim?